was given 15 minutes, can you all hear me, to make my remarks, but I'm going to have some very short remarks. I don't think I'm going to go that distance. About a year and a half ago, several members of the bar came to me and they said to me, we would like for you to run for the position of president of the Bar Association. And I said, no, you don't want me to run to be the president of the Bar Association. And they said, why? I said, I have the wrong color of hair. Okay? You need folks who are 20, 30 years my junior who can step up into this leadership role. But I accepted the task, and it turned out it was a contested election. And I want to tell you, of the 12,000 attorneys in this county, in our contested election, there were 2 of us who ran for the position. I got a mandate to do what I want as the president with my 78 votes. So for the 78 of you who have faith in me, I'm now here representing the 12,000 of you. I want to invite all of you to start thinking about the Bar Association as your family. One of the things that I think is missing in our society and is missing among all of our communication styles and even in our big law firms today is our failure to include people and treat them as part of a family. And the more we can get back to thinking of each other and the Bar Association as a family that we want to bring you back into, I want that concept to be our concept. A lot of people want to encourage you to be in the Bar Association, and we know a lot of people who might want to be a part of our Bar Association, but becoming a part of the bar is not the same as wanting to go to heaven. Have you ever thought about the desire to go to heaven actually has some drawbacks? We all want to go to heaven, but none of us want to go there today. Okay? We want people to become a member of our Bar Association today. We want you to become a part of our family. The Bar Association has morphed. The Bar Association has grown. I want to tell you a few facts about the Bar Association, some of which you know, some of which you may not know. In the year 2020, our Santa Clara Bar Association became homeless. We became unhoused for the first time in decades. And we're actually having discussions in the background about how to fix that and what to do about that. The other thing that a lot of you do not know is that after Sherry arrived and she finally took stock of where the membership was going, our membership here had sunk all the way down to the high 800s, 880, 890. Do you know where we are today? 1,300. You can tell now where we've been in the last 3 years. Our family is growing, and we want more growth, and we want more people to participate in the success that we have. We are a phoenix rising from the ashes. Those of you who stay aware of the news know about what's going on in Monterey Park in Southern California. Terrible, tragic event while people were wanting to celebrate what is known as Chinese New Year, Lunar New Year, Asian New Year, depending on the context of your phraseology. But when you ask yourself, why are so many people hurting? You know, people are hurting because they are members of a family. They are affected as a family. They have loved ones who are affected. They've shared homes, they've shared smiles, they've shared meals, they've shared hours. And when you become that kind of a family, that kind of tragic event affects everybody in the family. And I want everybody to start thinking about our Bar Association as a family. In fact, we're gonna post my cell number, and anytime you want to talk to me about things that you think are going wrong in the family, call me. I usually go to bed about 10 or 11 at night, so I probably have my phone turned off after that. But call me. Feel free to call me. I want you to think of me as part of your family. I want this message to go out, and these are my closing remarks as your new president. I want the message to go out that we're here to put our arms around each other. We're here to take care of each other. Just like the Monterey Park families, I don't care whether we're male or female or non-binary in the modern context. We want all of you to be a part of our family. Whether you have 1 hour a month to give to the Bar Association, whether you have 1 hour a year to give to the Bar Association, we want you to come to any kind of family reunion that you want to. Think of our events as reunions of the family. So finally, let me say, let 2023 become the year in which you spread the message that the Bar Association here for you has now become a family, and we're inviting everybody to come back to their family. Thank you.
Yeah, just stay here for a moment. Thank you for that. I'm actually very moved by that.